Hi, I'm Cody, founder of ProductMint, the world's first fully decentralized crypto subscription processor. In a market plagued by high fees, KYC hurdles, and centralized control from players like Stripe, businesses lose margin and customers lack real ownership. ProductMint solves this by tokenizing subscriptions and turning them into real-world assets using NFTs. Instant payment settlements and baseline fees as low as 2.5% on layer 2 stablecoins with no minimum charge. We've already processed over 10,000 in volume through our subsidiary HighStakes and partner with CyberKongz, a project with over 320,000 followers on X and 50,000 Discord members. Today, I'll demo our no-code dashboard for businesses and the CyberKongz customer portal. All right, let's start with the organization dashboard. Now, this is available to all businesses free of charge, and we're going to take a look at our subsidiary business HighStakes. You can see here on the home page, there's 90 product passes that have been minted. Across those passes, 167 products sold, and then on those products sold, 121 active subscriptions. Down here, you can see the revenue. You see this revenue over time. You can check out your graph. And now on those products, let's go ahead and take a look at our product catalog. On all of our products here, you're going to have the ID, the name, the description, the status, or whether or not those products can be purchased, and the transfer, whether or not those products are soul-bound or transferable on that product pass. So taking a look at a product, you're going to see a couple different fields on the product. On the right here, you're going to be able to link different pricing models. And let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like to create a new pricing model. So you're going to have your different charge styles here. Charge frequency, how often that flat rate subscription is going to be charged, the price, and then of course the token address. Let's take a look at some of the perks that can be offered. Now, these permanent discounts can be stacked onto the product passes. A couple different fields, name, a percentage off, maximum number of time the permanent discount can be minted. Now we'll take a look at coupons. Now these coupons are a little bit different than permanent discounts, so they're going to have a code, how often they can be used, the discount percentage off, an expiration date that can be set, maximum number of redemptions, and whether or not this is going to be for new customers only. Let's take a look at the organization settings here. You have a couple different tabs. So on the purchase tab, maximum number of mints per wallet, whitelist only, gift purchases, disable minting across the whole organization, subscription status settings, can we allow subscriptions to be paused, upgrades and downgrades, and then administrators. Let's take a look at balances here. You can see this is our withdrawal status, the amount, the token that was withdrawn, the date, and the transaction hash. All right, now we'll take a brief look at the transaction history across all the product passes. On the transaction history, you're going to have an amount, the action that was taken, the product pass ID, the date, and the transaction hash. And now let's take a look at our customers. You're going to be able to see the token ID, the wallet address, link to the wallet address on Etherscan, OpenSea, any permanent discounts that have been minted on the passes, along with all the products and their subscription statuses with their start and end dates on a secondary market. So now you can see the image. This is going to be all the different traits here. All right, now let's take a look at the metadata that can be configured by the organization. So there's going to be two sets of metadata. You're going to have your product pass metadata and then your organization metadata. Take a look at switching between different organizations. You can see we have CyberKongz. They have their metadata set here, but since I'm just a viewer, I can only view the metadata. I can't make changes to any of their products. And now anyone can come in here and view just by going to Manage Organization, and you can come in here and see all this data for yourself as well. Here's the CyberKongz customer portal, where you just can mint their CyberKongz product pass NFT and manage their subscription. We'll take a look here at the mint page. It's $150 per month. You can see that we're pricing it in Kong, so we're doing dynamic pricing here. We're getting the swap price from Uniswap on chain, and we can see the yearly as well. So there's monthly and yearly options. Very simple to mint. All a user need to do is come here, connect their wallet, approve the Kong with our payment escrow contract, and they'll be ready to mint. After a user mints their CyberKongz product pass NFT, they can come here and manage their subscription. It'll show up here. They'll be able to cancel their subscription at any time. Come in here and upgrade and downgrade between the monthly and yearly options. And all they would have to do is connect the wallet that holds the pass. They'll see their Kong balance, the allowance with our contract, and they can also come in here and update their allowance. One thing to note, the CyberKongz customer portal is custom and not available for other businesses at this time. However, no-code solutions are one of our top priorities, and we hope to have a customer portal that's dynamic and automatically available for all businesses that use ProductMint in Q4. Now, if you're a business that's looking to start leveraging tokenized subscriptions, or even an investor looking for a massive opportunity in the emerging RWA market, please reach out. I'd love to discuss how we can partner. And until next time, thanks for watching.